Jee Yan from JrT Robotics, Sri Patalik. As promised, this is my latest video about how robots helps us to fight COVID-19. Have you watched my previous video? No? Then please do check it out after you finish watching this video, okay? Today we'll be doing temperature scanning. Why do we need to check body temperature after sanitizing our hands? When my body is infected by the virus, the immune system will fight back. My body becomes warm. A temperature of 37.5 degrees Celsius or higher means I have a fever. The COVID-19 virus can spread from things that we touch or contact transmission. We have here a robotic infrared thermometer that operates without touching it. Now we shall show you how to use this contactless thermometer. Jee Yan, please press the speech button. Thank you.
Welcome to JrT Robotics. Please allow me to check your temperature.
Without touching it, I put my forehead in front of the thermometer for a scan. Jee Yan, please press the scan button. Thank you. To show the temperature reading, Jee Yan, please press the up button. Thank you. Okay, I can read what my reading in the record book. Now, Jee Yan, please press the down button. Thank you. Done. And I did not even touch the thermometer at all. Next, we also need to practice social distancing while taking a temperature reading. As you can see in this picture, the person who is taking temperature needs to be close by. This is not safe. So how do we overcome this problem? Let our robot show you how. Jee Yan, please turn on the automatic mode. Thank you.
Welcome to JrT
Now both
Robotics.
of us
Please allow
can
me to
practice
check your
social
temperature.
distancing
Please
while
put
we
your
take
forehead
turns to
nearer
check
to the
our
sensor.
temperature.
Please put your forehead nearer to the sensor. Please hold still while I am checking your temperature. Please jot down your temperature reading. Thank you. Next person, please. Please put your forehead nearer to the sensor. Please hold still while I am checking your temperature. Please jot down your temperature reading. Thank you. Next person, please. Please put your forehead nearer to the sensor. Please put your forehead nearer to the sensor. Please put your forehead nearer to the sensor. Please put your forehead nearer to the sensor.
Thanks
Please
for
put your
watching.
forehead nearer to
We
the
hope
sensor.
you all enjoy
Please
this
put your
video.
forehead nearer
Do
to the
look
sensor.
forward for our
Please put
next
your
video.
forehead nearer to the sensor. Please put your